What's up, you guys? It's Maddie VR. Welcome back to my second video. And in today's, we're playing Monkey Up. Yeah, I already have the first teleporter, so you don't have to watch me go all the way up there. We already have the first teleporter. And also, you guys, I don't have editing or anything. It's just the plain video. But hopefully you can still enjoy it. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're finally up here. If you wanted to watch me, it would have taken all the way up there. So I just got the teleporter before I could film the video. This is not going to be a very long video. Like, maybe 9 or 10 minutes. I don't know. Alright. I don't know, because I have to do stuff. I might go to Walmart with my mom. And all that. For like back to school shopping, because I'm going into 5th grade. Yeah, that's scary. I could possibly fail because I'm bad at math. No. I'm wink guy. You know what? I always go this way. Should I go this way? Nope. I'm going my normal way. I'm Sheldon. Yeah, you probably don't know who that is, but never mind. If you know, you know. I don't like change. No. Okay, we made it. This is gonna be bad. All right, so I need to use my hands. You don't bounce on your body, only the hands. Oh my gosh, I made it. I'm so lucky, bro. I haven't fell yet. If I fall, it's gonna be so freaking embarrassing, bro. Because this isn't even the hardest part. It gets harder and harder, bro. Alright. So, I know that... Don't freaking fall. I went to the water park with my friend Nautica today. I went on the roller coaster called the Gauntlet, and it freaking hurt my head so much. Alright, you can't go on that one. It hurt my head so much because instead of putting my back all the way against the seat, I decided I was going to put my head out while it was upside down, and it literally pulled my neck off. No, I'm just kidding, but it literally pulled my neck, and it hurt so bad. It already hurt. No. Oh my god, I just saved myself, bro. What the freak? Alright. But it hurts so bad. So make sure you keep your back on the thing before you before you go on the ride, because it hurts so much. Now, no! I've actually never made it that far. Alright, let's go like this. Wait, what if I have the second teleporter? Do I? No, I don't.
Even get to the table. No, not even the spoon.
No!
What?
This is the end. Alright. Go back. Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
No. Right. That was a close call. Never mind, it's not a close call. We all saw that coming. Alright, we're going to the next Only Up. Alright, we're back. Instead of going to that, let's go to another Monkey Up. Or let's just go to something in the whole thing. Spire of Hell. I've never seen that. Oh, it's like the Tower of Hell. Last to leave. Gorilla music. A new kind of parkour. I don't understand that. I'm not playing that. I've played that before. To the moon, only up. No. No. Hey, we can play hide and seek. Yeah, let's play hide and seek. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Watch this. Is there... I don't know. Oh, I've played this before. And we're going back. Bro, can I not go back? That's just freaking sad. I'm not gonna be able to go back unless I climb all the way to the top. Alright, I guess we're climbing. Bro, this is gonna take so long, and just lucky you don't have any editing, so this is gonna take a long time. Oh no, no. Alright, I'm gonna try to go fast so y'all don't have to wait. Alright. We gotta go all the way back up, y'all. This is gonna take a while, and I can't fast forward it. Just so y'all know. I almost fell. It's not good to fall, bro. Hey there, Delilah. This is like in City. In New York. No, we actually kind of made it, bro. We made it, bro. Alright, we're not going back. This map sucks, bro. The terminal control button or the return to virtual stump button does not work. My arms freaking hurt so bad. So, oh, that's a giant slide. I would love to go. Oh my god. Why was it turning so much? Alright, let's go to Space Monkey up, I guess. Only up. City. Delilah, what's it like in New York City? Whoa, I just do that. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? Alright, so I'm sure you have to, like, yeah, you just, like, fall down. And it lets you, like, go on the map. No, I'm falling through the map. Oh, never mind. That's cool. I thought it was gonna actually fall, bro. Alright. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Ah, no. I was about to say that's the end of the video. We're going through the map. I have to start it over all over again, and that's not happening. Okay, well, bye-bye. Alright, I don't know. That's the end of the video, bro. It's 9 minutes. It wasn't a good video, but I just tried my best. Hopefully you liked it. I'm gonna film more that's way better. It might not even be on Gorilla Tag. It could be on Scary Baboon, modded Gorilla Tag. any game. I film like any VR videos. So like and subscribe, please, because I don't have a lot of subscribers. I'm trying to like have a lot of subscribers.